it's Finn Page here and I'm your fabulous fitness instructor. This is FitNet Food, bringing you food to keep you fit on the internet. Woo! Right then, welcome to my taste challenge. So we've got mild curry powder, turmeric, ginger, garlic granules, and an onion, milk to wash it down with. So first of all, let's take, okay. Dry. Oh, that's dry. Wash it down. Okay, turmeric. Now this looks a little bit vile. Can't swallow. Dry. Okay, bit of ground ginger. Oh. Oh, that's vile. Oh, that's the worst one. Okay. Oh, God, this looks vile. Okay. Okay, last one. Biting in a red onion. It's a palate cleanser. That's actually, too much. That was too much. Okay, so there you have it. My spicy challenge done. I feel a bit sick. See more of this kind of challenges? Subscribe down below. Give us a thumbs up, share, comment, and ring-a-ding my bell. Woo!